The lunch hour at Alexandria Area High School was a little more interesting than normal earlier this week. Gathered at the far end of the Commons was a $2 million revolutionary robotic surgical unit called the DaVinci. Alomere Health brought the robot to the school to further solidify their partnership with the school, but more importantly to connect with the students. Alomere CEO Carl Vagnus.
Well, we just thought we have invested very significantly into the Health Academies program, and so we're real excited to let the kids get their hands on this technology, to see how this technology that's been around now since 2004, how it's evolved, but at the same time to see, hopefully pique their interest in terms of health careers.
The DaVinci unit is used for robotic-assisted surgeries. The surgeon, normally seated where the student is, would manipulate the hand and foot controls. Meanwhile, several feet away, the actual surgical instruments and camera are accurately able to duplicate the motions. Surgeons like Alomere OBGYN physician Demetra Heinrich says it's a great option for patients and a tremendous bonus for these teenagers.
It's a great idea getting kids interested, especially if they're interested in medicine or surgery in the future, to know what's out there and what's available. With DaVinci, it seems like a science fiction, but now it's here. The surgeon can operate, feet away from the patient and still have complete control and better movement with the DaVinci instruments inside the abdomen.
High school science teacher Meg Simon agrees this hands-on learning is a tremendous advantage for students looking into the medical field.
They wouldn't have an opportunity like this unless they were a surgeon in training, and here they are in high school being able to visualize and see what it's like to mess around with the robot-assisted surgery, which is pretty cool.
For students in the Health Academy at the high school, they seemed appreciative of the opportunity and impressed with the technology.
Some of us in this class want to go into some field like this, like a surgeon or something. So it's really cool to get that hands-on training earlier in high school rather than in college. I thought it was really cool.
It was really amazing how the machine knew what my hand movement was doing, and I think one of the ladies said, talking about like muscle movement and in my arm, and it connected to the machine, and I think it's super cool that the machine knows what my hand is doing.
For the hospital, they're excited to be able to bring the DaVinci to Alexandria and hope to train many of their current surgeons on the robotic system. And looking down the road, Vagnus says 90% of residency programs have this technology for surgeries, so this is not only the future, it's very much the present.
As far as the future is concerned, if we don't have this technology available in our hospital and the surgeons that we're recruiting in the future are used to using this technology in their residencies, it's extremely important that we have it available here in our community.
And after this day, just maybe some of those future surgeons at Alomere will have started their journey right here. For Voice of Alexandria, I'm Joe Korkowski.